Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you smartphone online banking customized notification for financial control. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Now if you're customizing notification for financial control in the barclays online banking, then what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your barclays mobile application and then simply log in using your Face ID, passcode or Touch ID. Then once inside, simply tap on the one option on the bottom menu option and inside select alerts and choose manage alerts or notification settings. Then once inside, what you need to do is choose alert categories. You can customize alerts for account balance and balance alerts, transaction alerts, security alerts, and payments and bill alerts. Next is to customize delivery method. For each alert, choose how you want to be notified. From push notification, email, and SMS. Push notification are the fastest and most secure. Next is to save and activate the selections. Tap on save or confirm and payment begins immediately. Now if you are using it on your Chase bank, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Chase mobile application and log in using your Face ID, Touch ID or passcode. Then what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and then inside select alerts and messages. Simply choose manage alerts right here, and there is where Chase notifications are controlled. Now alert types you can customize is accounts and balance alerts, transaction alerts, security alerts, which is the most important, and payment and bills alerts as well. To see how you are notified, for each you can choose push notification, which is fastest and safest. Email notifications are strongly recommended for security alerts. Then next, if you are doing it from your citi online banking, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up the citi banking application, tap on the profile icon on the top right and select alerts and notification, then tap on manage alerts. This is your control center for citi notifications, and alert types you can customize these accounts and balance alerts, transaction alerts, security alerts, and payments and bill alerts. You can choose how you are notified as well. For each alert, select push notification, which is the fastest and safest, or you can choose email and SMS. Push notifications are best for security alerts. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment on any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.